Here's another project I'm working on here. Well, we got some pretty weather. It's a little raised bed. This is how far I've made it so far. Just had some old cardboard in the garage laid down for some weed barrier, and had some old rough cut cedar that was locally milled here, and didn't cost me anything for this. I already had the cedar. I was going to use for another project, so had it on my front porch. Thought I'd use it for this project. This is a couple 8x4'ers, and I cut one 8x4'er in half, so it's 8x4, and I got the cardboard down as a weed barrier. Then I plan on putting some just some topsoil in, and gonna try to grow a few vegetables this year. Kids want to have a garden. So anyway, more to come on this, as I think it's supposed to rain tomorrow, so maybe I can get it put together here pretty quick, get soil in it. Take care, guys.